does Shopify work for sellers? If you're a seller, you want to sell your stores, you can use Shopify. I'm going to show you how to use Shopify. I'll also show you how to add your own products here on Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get an access to 30 days free trial on Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify to sell your own stores here on Shopify. Now let me show you how to add products on Shopify. It is so easy. Just go here, guys, to these products, these feature products. Then here you'll see two buttons. There's a do import, meaning that if you already have a store that you want to sell on Shopify, you can just import that URL. Is going to be added automatically in your Shopify store. Not only that, you can also add your own product. I'm going to show you how to add your own product now. And then under title, you have to write the title of the product that you want to sell on Shopify. After you're done writing the product title, you're going to go to description. It is very important that you write a product description so that your customers, they will have an idea what your product is all about, because customers, they do read, guys, what your product does. But I like to use this AI feature from Shopify, which allows me to write any product description. I'm just going to put my keywords, okay? You can put your own keywords, guys. I'm just going to write tone of voice. I'm going to use the default and expect. As you can see, it is done writing product description for me automatically. I'm going to keep this product description. I'm going to go to media. Under media, you can able to upload images or videos, guys, okay? After that, you can also go to category. You have to choose which category does your product falls under. If you are selling, let's say, electronics, the product must be electronics, guys, okay? If you are selling pet animals products, you must sell pet suppliers and animals. There are so many categories that you can choose here, Then you can go to pricing. Under pricing, you have to put the price that you are willing to sell your product here, guys. How much your customers are willing to buy the product from you. Then you can go to the cost per item, like how much it is costing you to purchase these products in your supplier, maybe Zendrop or maybe AliExpress. Those are the suppliers. Then it's going to be showing you the profit that you'll be making and also the margins that you'll be making in your Shopify store. This is how easy you can do it to add your own product on Shopify, guys. A 5-year-old can do it if he's following these instructions. I'm kidding. Do not use 5-year-old in the internet, okay? So let's go to collections. Under collections on Shopify, it's gonna show you how many collections that you have. You can also create a new collections, guys, okay? In the right corner there, you can create a new collections. Not only that, you can also go to customers and see how your customers are performing. You can have enough data. You can check the countries here, all of those stuff, guys. Enough details. You will see enough details about your customers, okay? Then you can go to analytics. Under analytics, you can check on how your store it is performing based on how many total sales you got today, how many total sales you got yesterday, so that you can do some comparison, guys, okay? You can do check for customize it in the last 30 days. You can customize it the way that you want, Then you can also check online store conversion rate, like out of 100 people, if you're getting 5% conversion rate, you can see all of those things. You can also check the top selling products. If you're selling, let's say, 5 products on Shopify, you can check them here. Which one is getting more orders so that you can scale up the right store, guys, in your Shopify store. We can also go to marketing. Under marketing on Shopify, it allows you to do email marketing. It allows you to send email follow-ups on your Shopify store, guys, okay? You can also check you can also send emails to your customers to sell other Shopify products, guys, okay, into your customers. You can also offer discounts, especially on holidays. On Black Friday, you can offer 10% discounts. You're gonna get more orders. People love discounts like you. I am sure that you love discounts while you're watching this video, guys. If you're offering discount, you're gonna get a lot of orders in a Shopify store. Do not sleep on that feature, guys. Okay. Then you can go to online store. These are the online store themes, done for you themes that you can use straight away into your Shopify account. As you can see that if only a beauty niche or a clothing niche, you can use these done for you stores. You can customize them, you can change the logos, you can change the prices. All of these stores you can help you to customize the way that you want these stores to look like. Put your own logo here there, and then change this domain, put your own domain. You can customize it. If only getting access to Shopify 30 days free trial, click the first link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify 30 days free trial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Take care and God bless you. Shop.